Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. So guys, today I want to share my video regarding making or replacing the loudspeaker or speaker of the Toshiba laptop, and I want to change this speaker of single speaker of this laptop. And as you can see, I have unscrewed the screws, and this is the its original loudspeaker. Here you can see this is the speaker of this laptop. The question is why I want to change this loudspeaker. Uh, Let me tell you that the voice of the laptop is more minimum rather than a mobile phone. So I want to change this loudspeaker with this. I hope you can see it. This is the speaker of mobile phone. So the voice of the mobile phone is very loud, and the voice of the laptop is very low. So that's why I want to change it, and let me see that how is it working. Is it appropriate to change it, or it was a wastage of time? So let's make this hack, and I hope it will be beneficial for everyone. So let's move ahead, and we will see forward. So let me pause it. So guys, you can see I have installed the mobile phone speaker under this speaker, and this is the old wiring which is disconnected. You can see here. I hope you can see it. And this is the new wiring. I hope you can see it. This wire, the black one, is the wire of new speaker, which is under this loudspeaker to let it fixed under this speaker fitting. So I have just resoldered the wires with the mobile phone speaker. So let's see what happened, and I will show you the result. Let me pause the video and reinstall or close this laptop to turn it on, and let me listen the sound of this speaker. So wait for a while, please. So guys, you can see this is the Toshiba laptop, and I have just installed the speaker of mobile phone, and let me say that the experiment is not very good, but the voice is a bit louder. Let me say that it is the 10% better than its own laptop speaker. So let me show you the voice of the mobile phone speaker, and as well as the laptop speaker, so you can judge it if you can. So let me start the video, and you will listen the sound of both speakers. So first of all, I would like to let you know let you listen the voice of the speaker of mobile phone, and the second time you will listen the laptop on or built-in speaker. So let me pause it again. So guys, you can see this is the Toshiba laptop, and I have just installed the speaker of mobile phone, and let me say that the experiment is not very good, but the voice is a bit louder. Let me say that it is the 10% better than its own laptop speaker. So let me show you the voice of the mobile phone speaker, and now you can listen its own speaker of laptop, which is built in.
يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى فأما من طغى وآثر الحياة الدنيا
So guys, I hope you would understand the sound value or the voice value. And as far as my learning or level of knowledge is concerned, that this sound of uh, loudspeaker is not very appropriate, or let me say that the mechanism of mobile phone or the sound system of the mobile phone is a lot better rather than the laptop, because there is no a major difference between the voices of laptop speaker or the mobile phone speaker. The difference is just 10%. The mobile phone speaker voice is better than laptop speaker, just 10% better. So the mobile phone voice is louder, I think, just because of its own sound system or sound amplifying process is very better than the laptop. So that's all from my video. I hope you would understand, or hope you would helpful by this video. And let me say that you shouldn't change your laptop speaker with the mobile phone. So that's all from my video. If my video is useful for you, or you get entertainment from this video, so please like and subscribe. And I hope if you have any sort of question, I will reply my level best to as soon as possible. So bye bye for now.